graduate and get a job. If you must drink, have a decent beer to drink. Yeah. And when you can also afford to buy, and buy some people a few rounds, you feel good. But this is it nonsense that is being sold around here. This bangi will ruin you, my dear sisters and brothers. I want to plead with you with a lot of humility as your parent, as your father. Please, keep off drugs. It is the path to hell. It is indeed the path to nowhere. You'll waste your life and waste your chance to be anybody, not just within your family, but in the country. So I want us to agree from today. Those of you who may be partaking, change your mind. And you can do so. I used to drink a lot myself. Oh, a lot. Beers. A crate and a half. There is a bar called Citrus next to Jamhuri High School. It would be very nice there. There was a one-man guitar there, and I have had some little money. So I would stay there up till morning. We drink and drink and drink and get wasted. And many of my drinking buddies, most of them are dead. Others are zombies. Others are ruined. They look for me to give them something to eat today. But since I made the decision to quit drinking, my path has been rosy. And you can see where I stand today. Please, our young people, I cry for you. President William Ruto cries for you. I've come to talk to you, to ask you with tremendous respect and humility that your future is bright. Please don't ruin it. You owe it to yourself not to ruin it. You owe it to your parents not to ruin it. You owe it to society. And you are very advantaged that you have a president and a deputy president who think about our young people and leaders who are willing to create a good atmosphere for you and the right environment to grow. We are willing to mentor you. In conclusion, because I'd like to take a few questions, isn't it? In conclusion, you people are very creative. I am a beneficiary of your creativity myself. When I was elected as deputy president, many people found my name very difficult. Rigathi Gachagua. Many people had difficulty in that name. And some young girl somewhere decided she likes me. She likes the way I talk. She is happy I'm a truthful man. I say it as it is. And decided to come up with a name to make life easier for me and my fans. And she came up with Rigiji. That girl is here. She's called Ivy Chelimo. Come here, they say. I introduce this girl.